Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me, giving you guys details on how I got to get this hair and everything. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get to know more. So without no further ado, let's head to the tutorial. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys, and I just love how the packaging looks. You can see so I'm going to be using the bulb method to install this wig. Hello, so finally we are doing a blonde wig install, and this is from Your Lover Beauty. And just like I mentioned, we are going to be using the bulb method to install this wig. So to melt this cap and the lace wig, I'm going to be using the Got2b spray for this tutorial, and I'm just going to be using the Got2b gel just to lay my edges and to melt my lace. And this cap, I'm only going to be using the Got2b spray. After melting the cap, I wanted to tint my cap and my lace too, and I used this Zaron Cosmetics Brownskin shade foundation. So whenever you're doing the plucking method, make sure you're really careful while plucking, because you do not want to spoil your lace and you do not want to pluck too much. So do it step by step. If you want the front to look as natural as possible, use the plucking method on the front, but be very careful while you're doing this.
Original bad man, you done know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she no they do me, she get. You wanna come on fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy Henry Germany, Germany, them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way, baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk am, baby, you rock am. No need for front, baby. Love you.
And just like that, we are through with this tutorial. And guys, don't forget I have a discount code that I'm going to be putting on the description box in case you want to get a wig from your lover beauty. And yeah, we are through with this, and until our next video, bye bye. So sadly guys, that was the end of this tutorial, and I hope you guys have learned something new. And I'm really loving the way this wig turned out, and I hope you loved the tutorial too. So I got this wig from Your Lover Beauty. They are on Instagram and they also have their website. Another thing that I want to add on top to the details I was giving you guys is I have a discount code. If you get to buy any wig from their page, you're going to be getting a 15% off. Yes, a 15% off. I'm always plugging you guys to the best. Like, what would you do without me? So if you get a wig from their page, you're going to be getting a 15% off, and the code is Coco N, COCON. They ship their products worldwide, and I got my wig in like a week. Was it? I think a week or less. And I had it delivered to my doorstep. I didn't have to go to the post office and all that. All you do is you give them your address and everything, and it will be delivered to where you are. And this is a 22-inch Brazilian wig. I've always wanted to own a blonde wig. This is a 613 blonde wig. Don't forget, don't go asking for a blonde wig. In case you want the same color, this is a 613 blonde Brazilian hair wig, human hair wig, Brazilian human hair wig. So I think I've given you all the details, guys. I'm going to be putting all the details on the description box. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this wig. Do you think the color is cute? What do you think about the color? Did I slay this? Yeah, I promised you guys I'll be doing more wig installs, and I hope you're loving this wig series. More wigs to come, more wigs to come, more wigs to come, so expect more. So like, share, subscribe. You can comment, share with your friends, share with your cousin, your sister, anyone you think this video could help. And until our next video, guys, bye.